In this video, we are going to see that if you want to delete the payment information or any other important credit card information or any financial information that you have entered before temporarily, but let's say that you want to seal the computer or you just want to delete your payment records for the security purposes, here's what you can do. So on the Google Chrome, let's click on these three dots on the top right. And once we click on that, just go ahead on the second last option, we have settings. Now in the settings, we will click on autofill and passwords on the second options on the left. And you can search for payment methods here. If you can't find it here, you can also directly search for any kind of settings. So just write payment methods here and you should be able to find wherever it is. Maybe it's in a different section, so you can just search for it. Just go to the payment methods and you can either just uncheck this so that it doesn't save or fill in the save details in the payment methods. You can just remove that. Save security codes, you can remove all of these if you don't want them to save it for you. Or otherwise, the payment method is added and this is for the GPay. In this case, we have to go in the Google Play wallet. And from here, we can remove this. Click on remove. And as you can see, now we just refresh this and there is no payment method that is saved. So we are fully secured. So this is how you can do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.